stars and thunder sway. In my mind where shadows play, crystal sounds they whisper clear, sits that glitch in tones unclear, echoes left from yesteryear. In my heart you still appear, colors bright they fill my mind. In the stars a love I find, bouncing beats in perfect time, rhythm with the silent rhyme. Analog hearts breaking slow, sign with pulses ebb and flow, nature's voice and voices low.